Hello viewers or subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Jupiter Linked.
I speak here of terrorism, which has long been honed and practiced as a tool of statecraft. The basic takeaway for all of us is that given the seamlessness of our existence, any expectation that conflicts and terrorism can be contained in their impact is no longer tenable. A big part of this is clearly economic, but do not underestimate the danger of metastasis when it comes to radicalism and extremism. No danger is too distant anymore. Now, speaking of dangers, it is necessary to also look at the directly disruptive impact of climate events on the international economy.